Brief overview of the importance of speaking English effectively. Speaking English effectively is important in today's globalized world. It allows you to communicate with people from different countries, opens up job opportunities, and allows you to access information and resources in English. Being able to speak English effectively and confidently can also boost your self-esteem and confidence. Top 5 ways to learn speaking English effectively and fast. Immerse yourself in English. Discussion of the benefits of immersing yourself in an English-speaking environment. Examples of ways to immerse yourself in English, such as watching English language movies and TV shows, listening to English language music, and speaking with native speakers. Practice, practice, practice. The importance of practice in learning to speak English effectively. Tips for practicing speaking English, such as finding a conversation partner, joining an English language conversation group, and using language learning apps. Focus on pronunciation and intonation. Explanation of the importance of focusing on pronunciation and intonation in order to speak English effectively. Tips for improving pronunciation and intonation, such as listening to native speakers and practicing tongue twisters. Learn English through content. The benefits of learning English through content such as books, articles, and videos. Conclusion. Summary of the key points covered in the video. Reminder of the importance of immersion, practice, pronunciation, and learning through content in improving your English speaking skills.